Hello everyone and welcome back. You are watching I Can Code Now, and in our previous video we looked at a simple program and saw how it printed hello world onto the screen. In today's video we will show you how to configure your machine so you can write that code and run it yourself on your own system. So to do that I will be showing you on how to install Visual Studio 2022, which is an IDE. An IDE is simply an integrated development environment. So, so IDE comes built in with all the tools and it takes care of everything, most of the things for you, so that you don't have to worry about anything. So I'll be showing you on how to install that and alright, and I have opened my browser and so should you. And after opening the browser, go to this link, visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. On this page, you will find this free download button. This is the community version of the Visual Studio 2022. The community version is basically free and it provides enough features for learning purposes. So this should suffice for our purposes. So go ahead and click this free download button. The download should begin in a second, and there you go. It is downloading. It's a small file and it downloads the stuff afterwards. So go ahead and click this button and you should see something like this. Press yes. And next up, this launches the. All right. Yeah, sure. So this launches the Visual Studio installer. So the installer is basically the you know the software that downloads the Visual Studio. You know the whole size, which is around like 7 to 10 GBs. Let's find out. So once you click that next button, you will find this window opened up on your screen. So from this when these workloads, scroll down and let's just select C++, you know. So C++ installer. hmm Let's see what this contains. All right. Yeah. Okay. So select this desktop development with C++ and click install, and you can change this option, download and then install, and directly you know, if you want to install while downloading, I prefer download all and then start installing so that I know it has downloaded all the parts. So click install for it to start installing. uh, You most probably will have this Visual Studio Community 2022 only listed here. I have installed on my machine 2017 and 2022 Professional. So, but you don't need to worry about these listed here. All you need to do is look at this Visual Studio 2022 compiler installation and wait for it to finish. Let me fast forward this and so that the video don't gets longer. Uh, all right. So this is finished in downloading and installing. After it is installed, you'll see something like this. Click OK, and you can just click launch on your community version here. Do not confuse these all options. Yours should say Visual Studio Community 2022 only, and in front of this, press this launch button. All right, it will launch. It will look like something like this. It is launching and it took some time to install and download. Depends on your internet speed and your CPU to get it working fast. And we should see something. Alright, there's this window. You should see something like this too. This asks you to download to log into your account, Microsoft account, so you can start using this IDE. This might take a while. Okay, that happened. And then you should see something like this. This is the starting point of the Visual Studio 2022 community, and you might not have anything listed here. I have some previous projects listed from the Visual Studio 2022 professional version edition, and for you, you won't see anything. That will be it for now. And in the next video, we will see how we can create a project and create files in it to finally get started working.